We know that roses steal the show, but what if we could make them even more spectacular? The secret is pairing them with perfect companions. They add year-round color, charm, and enhance your roses without competing for space or nutrients. For a burst of color, plant Sweet Alyssum, Osteospermum hybrids, Diascias, or Nemesias alongside your roses. These plants fill the gaps when your roses aren't in bloom and attract pollinators. Ground covers like Sweet Alyssum create a lush, sweet-smelling base without interfering with the rose's growth, while the cheerful Osteospermum hybrids are water-wise, making them a smart choice for a sustainable garden. To deter pests, fragrant lavender and resilient rosemary make excellent companions. They enhance your garden's visual charm and act as natural pest deterrents, ensuring your roses stay healthy. When choosing companions for roses, be mindful of root systems. Companion plants should have non-invasive roots that won't steal the nutrients or water. The right companions will enhance your roses' beauty without overpowering them. Get creative and step away from traditional rose beds. Integrated flower borders keep your garden lively throughout the seasons. Whether you choose a formal arrangement with one companion plant or a mixture of blooms, the possibilities are simply endless. So, are you ready to transform your rose garden? Find everything you need at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find your GCA Garden Centre nearest you.